Hello everyone, welcome to Day 2 in classes. Today I'm back with a current affairs multiple choice questions class. Today I will discuss multiple choice question from 5th May to 10th May. In my previous current affairs classes, I have discussed the current affairs in detail. I will give the link below. If you have not seen my class from 5th May to 9th of May, please go and see the class first. Let us start our multiple choice question. The first question coming is, name the cooperative bank whose license have been cancelled by the RBI to carry on banking business. The answer is CKP Cooperative Bank Limited. CKP Cooperative Bank license has been cancelled. The reason is bank was not in a position to pay its present and future depositors. Also, it failed to maintain a minimum capital adequacy ratio of 9%. So RBI has cancelled its license. Okay, remember in mind. Next is news is, on which day hand hygiene day is celebrated every year to mobilize people around the world to increase adherence to hand hygiene health in healthcare facilities. The answer is 5th of May. The theme for hand hygiene day is, I have discussed in current affairs, so please go and see, save lives, clean your hand. Okay, to keep in mind. It is organized by World Health Organization. Also keep this point in mind. Okay, let us see our next question. In which category the three Indian journalists have been honored with 2020 Pulitzer Prize? So I have discussed this news. They have got in featured photography. They have photographed in Kashmir region. They are three persons from India. The first is Dar Yasin. Dar Yasin. The other is Mukhtar Khan. Mukhtar Khan, and the third is Channi Anand. Okay, the answer will be photography. Our next question is, name the company which has launched video KYC engagement platform for banking and finance sector. The answer is AMIO. Okay. Let us see our next question. Name the Egypt tennis player who has been banned by the Tennis Integrity Unit from professional tennis for his life following his conviction on multiple match fixing and association corrupt charges. Just keep the name in mind, Yusuf Hossam. Okay. Let us see our next question. Name the virtual program which has been presented by National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi recently. The answer is नगमा के संग्रह से. ठीक है. Okay, modern art. Okay, National Gallery of Modern Art. Let us see our next question. Name the device which has been developed by the Laser Technology and Center, Science and Technology Center, to achieve rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone areas. The answer is ultraviolet disinfection tower. With the help of this tower, it is placed in a room and it can sanitize the room and can kill the virus present in this room, and helps especially in hospitals, in airports, okay, in hotels it can be used. Let us see our next question. Institute of Genomics and Integrated Biology, constituent lab of CSIR, has signed a memorandum of understanding with which for licensing of know-how for Feluda in order to execute rapid diagnosis of COVID-19. These have partnered for Tata Sons. Tata Sons has Tata Group of hospitals which have a huge doctors in that. So they have partnered with them so that they can fight in the COVID-19 pandemic and rapid diagnosis can be done. Our next question is, name the name the operation that has been launched by the Indian Navy to bring back Indian citizen who has stranded overseas amid COVID-19 pandemic. The answer is Samudra Setu. Okay, keep this in mind. Question number 10 is, Name the IIT Bombay professor who has been honored with the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020. The answer is Saurabh Lodha. He is an electrical engineer in the department of IIT Bombay, and he has done exemplary work in nanoscience and technology. Keep in mind. 11th question. Which government has launched a new mobile app named CSD COVID to provide COVID 19 related information? The answer is Chandigarh. Vesak Day 2020 is observed globally on 7th of May. On this day, Dash attained enlightenment. So, in this day, Lord Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. Which among the following become new director on Central Board of Reserve Bank of India? The answer is Tarun Bajaj. I have discussed this news. You can go and see. I will give the link in the description below. Let us see our next question. The book titled Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of a Kargil Hero, has been released. Who among the following is the author of the book? The author of the book has been V.N. Thapar. Okay. Important book. Vijayant at Kargil. Which of the following state government recently launched a Nikah program to educate family members of migrant returnees? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Let us see our next question. On which of the following day World Athletics Day 2020 is observed globally? The answer is on 7th of May, World Athletics Day is being observed globally. Let us see our next question. Who among the following is the new Prime Minister of Iraq? The new Prime Minister of Iraq is Mustafa Al-Khadimi. Important appointment, please keep in mind. Which of the following gas recently leaked from LG Polymers plant in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh? The news of a very big incident. It killed. Mostly the data is coming to be about 10 people, but it is more than that. But the answer is styrene gas 18C. World Red Cross Day is observed globally on World Red Cross Day is observed globally on 8th May. I have discussed in detail in my 9th May current affairs class. Please go and see that class. Very important. The Government of India has launched its biggest ever evacuation exercise named. The exercise name is Vande Bharat Mission. 21st question is which state government has banned 11 brands of pan masala for 1 year in the state, citing the presence of chemicals which is harmful to heart and cause various disease? The answer is Jharkhand has banned this 11 brands of pan masala. Let's see our next question. Name the company with which Ministry of Defence has signed a pact to modernize infrastructure 37 airfields of Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. The answer is Tata Power. Okay. Let us see our next question. Indian Council of Medical Research has partnered with Dash for delivery with coronavirus COVID-19 test kits. The answer is India Post. Keep in mind. Let us see our next question. Defence Minister has inaugurated 80-kilometer road in Uttarakhand which will connect close to the line of actual control and opens a new route for Kailash Mansarovar Yatra via Liplu Lake Pass. Who is the present Defence Minister of India? Defence Minister of India is Rajnath Singh. Through this 80-kilometer road linkage, it is very easy to connect to the Kailash Mansarovar and it will reduce the distance for all the pilgrims. Okay, so very important news recently. Which of the following has recently approved a loan of $500 million to support India COVID-19 operation? The answer is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The loan has been released only for COVID-19 patients. The Indian government can track it successfully, can arrange the proper medical hygiene for them and can save lives in this COVID-19 pandemic. New Zealand Cricket has announced the annual New Zealand Cricket Award. Name the player who has won the annual New Zealand International Men's ODI Player of the Year Award. The answer is Kane Williamson has won this award. The National Mission for Clean Ganga in NMGC under the Ministry of Jal Shakti has organized an ideathon on the future of river management with National Institute of Urban Affairs. This is the theme, the future of river management. This plan has been launched to keep the Ganga clean throughout the year. As we all know, our Ganga river is healing itself because of the lockdown. No pollution is being created across the banks of the river Ganga. As the mission of Namami Gange project, I have discussed this current affairs. If you want to see, please, I will give the link below. In the Namami Gange, which was launched in 2011, it was being implemented through this years, but it was not possible for the central government to clean river Ganga. But in COVID-19, the nature has itself cleaned the Ganga river. Now it is safe for the drinking as well as bathing also. So government is coming with a permanent plan for the future to maintain this type of cleanliness. Okay, this was the news. Name the judicial member Lokpal of India who passed away after getting infected from novel coronavirus. The answer is Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi. So 29 number question is, which state government has announced the inclusion of state whole population under the Mahatma Jyoti Phule Jan Arogya Yojana? The answer is Maharashtra. Let us see our next question. Name the private sector bank which has recently released a song titled Hum Haar Nahi Manenge to keep hopes up amidst the ongoing national lockdown and COVID-19 pandemic. The answer is HDFC Bank has launched this song. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my videos. एक like, share और subscribe तो बनता है for this video. Keep watching, keep sharing with your friends and keep supporting me. Thank you.